All right, guys, I'm going to do a little research here. 3.53 ounce Jetboil jet power butane can. How many boils can you get with one of these cans? Now, I know that when you're up in the mountains and you're boiling water and you know you got 3 to 5 days up there, you want to know these things beforehand. I know you do. So let's figure this out and let's do the boils. A lot of guys are doing this, they turn on the burner and they just let it sit and see how long it lasts. That's not good enough. Let's boil water. Let's actually boil water every single time. Mark it and know that we're going up to the line, the 20-ounce line, and we are boiling water all the way. Okay. I already have a number. I cannot wait to show you this. Stay tuned. Here we go. right, guys, 23 times, and it's finally going out. Check it out. All right, it's officially out. It is officially out. So I got 23 boils of 20 ounce of water, or a little bit more, because I like to put it over the line, not under. So I'm pretty darn impressed, man. So if anybody tells you a little bit more, just be careful, watch out, because I'm telling you, if you sit there and hear people say 70, 71, 50, 40, you trust that, and then you go up in the mountains and you're like, yeah, I got this. And then all of a sudden, you only got one butane can, and all of a sudden, you think you can do 50 boils, and it's out on the 23rd time. So I just want to say, be careful. I want to roughly say 20 times on a boil is my average. I want to say that you feel comfortable with after the 20th boil. Just be careful, only because you got wind factor, you got all these different factors. So just be careful with that kind of stuff. So 20 boils of water, which should be on a 3-day trip, 4-day trip, should be perfectly fine. You don't have to bring any more butane cans. You could bring one and then just replenish it when you come back. So anyhow, I hope this helps. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment.